Hello?
Oh, hello, darling.
Hi, Aunt Karen.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just getting the blackout curtains ready. I gotta make sure the room is nice and dark for Joshua while he sleeps.
Oh, darling, you need to just let that baby sleep in the brightness so that he can sleep wherever he goes. You don't need to do that blackout stuff.
There are so many reasons why your baby needs to sleep in total darkness, but whatever you do, do not follow Aunt Karen's advice. If you want to hear more about blackout solutions, stay tuned for this video. I'm Missy Yondo, your mom life bestie from Slumber and Bloom. I'm a pediatric sleep consultant and potty training coach. I love sharing tips and tricks on sleep training and potty training and all things motherhood. But today we are diving into why your child needs to sleep in a pitch black room and different solutions on making that room blacked out. There are several reasons why babies need to sleep in the pitch black, and I am going to tell you the top 5 reasons. Number 1, we need to replicate the environment of the womb. When you were pregnant with your baby, it was dark inside. It was pitch black. Your child is used to the darkness. Reason number 2 to keep the room pitch black is because when your baby is a newborn, it is going to help with their day and night confusion. It goes without saying that brightness during the day is going to help your child understand that it is daytime, and darkness at night is going to help your baby understand that it is nighttime. Nighttime equals time for sleep. Number 3 is because pitch black is going to trigger the production of melatonin. Darkness is your brain's message to your body to start triggering the production of melatonin. Melatonin is the sleepy hormone that is going to help your baby get into a deep sleep. And reason number 4 to have a pitch black room is because the lightness is going to do the complete opposite. It is going to trigger your baby's brain to stay awake. This is especially important at those wee hours of the morning when it is 4 or 5 a.m. and the light starts creeping in and you wonder why you're having these early morning wakings. It's probably has something to do with the fact that you don't have blackout curtains in your baby's room and their brain is signaling that it is time to wake up because they are seeing light. That goes hand in hand with reason number 5 why you need to have it black out is because having your baby's room completely blacked out is going to help them sleep in later in the morning. When it is time for your baby to wake up in the morning, you want to open those curtains, make it very obvious that it is morning time and daytime. Have a big hello and make a big to-do that it is morning time and it is time to be awake. And that will make it a lot easier for your child to know when it is time to sleep and when it is time to wake. Now, there are several solutions to black out your child's room, and I will give you my number 1 top solution for blacking out, and that is the Blackout Easy window covers. I love these. This is what I have used in my children's rooms for years and years and years. I still have them in my 7-year-old's room and they sleep awesome. I can honestly say that I have never really struggled with early morning wakings with my kids. I don't know if it's just because my husband and I are both naturally like loving sleeping in the morning, or if it's just because my kids have blackout curtains in their rooms. But Blackout Easy window covers are amazing and they truly black out your child's room without an ounce of daylight coming in. There are some other solutions that you can use if you are either on the go or if you're on a tight budget, or if maybe your child is sleeping at someone else's house for the day and you need some sort of blackout solutions. So these are not very attractive or aesthetically pleasing solutions, but they are very cheap and very effective. So the first one is to use black garbage bags and tape them along the window frame. You want to make sure that you are really taping them along the outside of the window frame so that you are not letting any light into the room, but it really does work really well. The second thing is to use aluminum foil on the windows. Now, I have seen many people try and hack this, but the best solution is to spray the window with water and then spread the aluminum foil over the glass on the window, and voila, you have a blacked out room. The third thing is not a beautiful thing at all whatsoever, but if you have extra bed sheets that may be dark in color, specifically black, or blankets that you can throw over the curtain rod to kind of add a little extra darkness to the room, then you can definitely do that. I will be the first to admit that this is exactly what I did in my kids' rooms before I discovered the Blackout Easy window covers. And I mean, it definitely works, and it was not beautiful in my room, and we have lots of pinholes around their windows now because I actually pinned them into the window frame. Don't tell my husband. If you are using any of these blackout solutions, I want you to use the hand test. Put your hand in front of your face, turn off your kid's light, and if you can see your hand in front of your face and it is not dark enough in your child's room, try again, black it out even darker, and then do the hand test again, turn off the light, and make sure you can't see your hand in front of your face. If you can see your hand in front of your face, you gotta give yourself one of these. It's not dark enough. But if it is dark enough and you can't see your hand in front of your face, then you can celebrate that it is dark enough in your child's room. And of course, I have a solution for you for when you are on the go. What you really want to invest in is a slumber pod. I wish that these were around when my kids were babies, but they weren't. So I am a huge advocate for the Slumber pod. It is literally a tent that blacks out over your child's pack and play, and I highly recommend it. They are a little bit more on the pricey side, but if you travel a lot and your baby doesn't sleep well in any given location, then I 110% recommend getting a Slumber pod. And if you have a friend or a relative who may have a baby around the same age as yours, then you can definitely go in and split it halvesies and share the Slumber pod if you guys know that you'll be traveling at off times, and you will be able to share the Slumber pod. That is a great solution. If you have any blackout solutions, I want to hear about them, so leave them in the comments down below. This was a really short and sweet video, but I really wanted to address the topic of blacking out your child's room, why it's important, and how you can do it easily and effectively. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out other videos on my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!